Another big year this year.
And I'm going to say he has a job locked up for the Yankees. A guy who doesn't is Domonic Brown for the Phillies. Talked about the talent. Right field is open. What are they doing with his hands and how it relates to what he's doing at the plate?
Well, they're trying to get him the word adjustment again, to make an adjustment. Now, I don't agree with this one totally, because he hit 346 in AAA. Give the kid a chance to do what got him to the big leagues and be successful. I think what they're doing right now by moving his hands all over the place, he's still trying to figure out where they at. I watched him in today's game, a lot of check swings, a lot of hesitation. Here's a look at him last year when he gets called up. That was a double off the wall to start his major league career, by the way. These are all base hits. These are all swings. Yeah, he's got a little scoop in his swing, but a lot of guys do. But I think you got to give him a chance to make an adjustment. He comes to spring training. Hey, you know what you're going to do this year? Put your hands down lower. And what has he done? He's scuffled at everything, because when he had his hands at a higher point, he was bringing them down to low. That was his timing gauge. So let's look at him last year. And this green right here will morph in what he looks like this year in spring training. So as you see behind him, that's spring training, and that's last year. When he gets down here through the ball, gets to this position right here, this is what you focus on. As his hands start to go back, this is a timing mechanism that we all get to. Now he's back where they're setting him at right now, but he doesn't have any movement. The leg is kicking, everything else, but he is off timing, not knowing where he's at. And trust me, I've been there. I had my swing changed more than anybody else. I hated it. I think sometimes you got to let a guy have some success and be able to figure it out. And he hit 210 last year and 62 at-bats. Right. That's just not enough body of work.
Yeah, the adjustment, I think you hit on it. AAA at 346.
Yeah.
All right, he's proved. That's why you brought him to the big leagues. You know, it's kind of like these guys in the amateur draft. They get drafted, and the first stop, they get changed. Well, let him use what naturally got him to that position. And I think for this guy, you raked in AAA. You're going to be able to hit in the big leagues.
Yeah.
Give him a chance.
One of the toughest things for a young kid, though, is you're too coachable. You listen to too many people. Listen, you hit 346. Go with what works for you. You're the one in the batter's box, nobody else.
At the end of the day, you got to get here. I don't care if you start here,
Everyone's
whatever.
Here.
Yeah.
He does have Charlie Manuel, though. I'm just saying.
No, Charlie Manuel is great. He's great. You know,
I'm just saying.